Hello and welcome to a Mitsubishi Electric Quick Tips video. Today we're going to talk about how to use an DU07 parameter unit to upload parameters from one drive and then download them to another drive. The first thing you're going to want to do is press the mode button. Next, turn the dial one notch to the left to PCPY. Next, press the set button. Then turn the dial one notch to the right to 1. Press the set button. Parameters will be copied, so please wait. You'll see the 1 will be blinking on the display. Finally, the blinking PCPY means the copy is completed. The next step is to install the DU07 with the uploaded parameters into the next drive for the download. Next, download all the parameters from that DU07 unit. Press the PU EXT button. The PU LED turns on. Next, press the mode button. The display will read P0. Next, turn the dial one notch to the left to PCPY. Then press the set button. And then turn the dial 2 notches to the right to 2. And press the set button. The parameters will be written, so please wait. You'll see 2 will be flashing, which means the parameters are being written. Finally, a blinking PCPY means the write was complete. All of the parameters are now copied into the next drive. Finally, return the DU07 to the original drive and reinstall the DU07 to the drive where all of the parameters were downloaded. This will complete the upload and download process. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.